Hi, here's a Hunter Paramount XP fan. This time with my orange band back. I'm going to turn on low with a 4-speed wall control. Image showing on medium, medium high, and high. That's the wall control. I feel like Paramount should have been 4-speed in first place. Because it's basically missing this speed between medium and high. And medium high seems to have a big gap. It goes lots of air, it still has slight bubble without noise. And it spins faster now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, subscribe.